Hello, I'm in a 2016 Jeep Patriot, and today I'm going to show you how to fold up and down your seats. So for these rear seats, we're going to look for this lever that will pull. And this will let you fold the whole seat forward. And this is where it was hooked onto this latch. And it works the same on the passenger side as this driver's side. When you're ready to put this back up, just push this all the way. And I would make sure the seatbelt is pulled over the top so it doesn't get trapped. And now it's locked back in place with that click you could hear. And for these front seats, you'll see this lever here will pull this up. That lets this fold forward. And usually with two hands, you'll lift this lever and then just push back to get that seat to fold back. And then to slide the whole seat forward or back, you'll lift this lever and then you can pull forward or back. And once this is back down, it locks it back into place. So it doesn't just keep sliding for you. And then the passenger side I'll show you as well, but it's the same as the driver's side. So, as you can see, it's got the same lever here. And while this lever is down, it's got the back locked in place. And then when you have it lifted up, it can now freely move. And then same as I described over on the driver's side with this lever. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.